Hey guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin ParkTech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will learn about how we can use a 7-segment display within the falstad.com online simulator. We also have to convert our BCD to 7-segment display, that is our binary coded decimals or our binary data to the 7-segment output. So for it, first we need to take our 7-segment display. So here it is called a 7-segment LED. So it has 7 pins. Okay, also we need our what's called as the 7-segment decoder. Okay, so this is our decoder. Okay, so we need to take it out. And what we need to do is to connect the pin number A with A, B with B, C with C, D with D, and E with our E pin, F with our F pin, and G with G pin. Okay, now we need to put the input at logic input. So this is our binary input. Now we need to connect the binary input with the I3, I2, I1 and I0. Okay, so these are our input. Okay, now there are like BCD, it's BCD to 7-segment converter. So we need to run our simulation. Okay, now it is all the inputs are 0, so we are getting 0 on the 7-segment display. Now there are like combinations, so it is 0, 0, 0 and 1. Okay, now what about 0, 0, 0 and 1? At 0, 0, 0 and 0, it is 0. At 0, 0, 0 and 1, it is 1. Okay, 0001, it is the second combination. Now this is the third combination. Third combination means it represents 2. Now this is the fourth combination and it represents 3. Hopefully you know that how I used to write it. There are like possible combinations. Okay, 16 possible combination with this 4. Okay, 4 bits. So now 0, 1, 0, 0 is our fifth combination, so it displays 4 on the 7-segment. Now 0, 1, 0, 1, and this represents 5, and 0, 1, 1, 0 represents 6, and 0, 1, 1 and 1 represents 7. Now we need to make all these zeros, and this is 1, that is 1 triple 0. This is the 9th combination. So 1001 is 10th combination, and 1001 is 10 combination. So 1010 1. Okay, sorry. Okay, so after it starts A. Okay, 1010, it shows a say, then 10 and 10, so it's 1011 is B, and then 1100 is C, and 1101 is D. Then this is E and this is F. So these are all the possible combination for 7-segment in falstad.com online simulator. Apart from it, you can make any sort of counter with it, and or any other thing which you want. So hopefully you got the concept. Thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.